Check the price for yourself. At checkout, you will enter a special coupon code that I will share with you in this video and hit apply to get a $50 discount. How do you do it? Simply click the video link in my description, which will redirect you to this page. Here, you will find the best working hosting coupon code. Click the copy button, and it will take you straight to the official website. Once there, click on View Plans to see options like Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud. For a quick demo, let me show you with this plan. I will click on Choose Plan. You can pick whichever option fits your needs best, and at checkout, just apply the coupon code. You will get a 20% discount and save a significant amount of money using this code. Now, let's look at the other options. Right now, they are offering huge discounts on the Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud startup plans. First, the Premium plan is 75% off at $4.19 per month, perfect for hosting up to 3 sites with 20 gigabytes of SSD storage. Next, the Unlimited plan is 80% off at $5.29 per month, giving you unlimited websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, and daily backups. Lastly, the Cloud Startup plan is 71% off at $11.19 per month, delivering 100 gigabytes of storage and dedicated performance for high-traffic sites.